We're about to make a dish called Moytisas. Moytisas is a chicken sausage or a farce, if you will.
Okay.
So in this case, we got some ground chicken.
Okay.
Diced up onion. You can add that in there, right?
Yep.
And then we're gonna rasp this garlic and just do 2 garlics.
All right.
Nice.
I actually really like this. This is almost...
The rasp?
Yeah, I kind of like it. It's nice. And I don't mind
But it has its place. And then we're gonna add some chopped mint.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're just using regular mint. You're not using...
No special mint, that whole thing.
The whole thing, okay.
Salt and pepper. Look at that, the wind.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, now you have to throw it over your shoulder because it went everywhere. That's good. Okay.
Now we'll add a little bit of fish sauce.
And I'm just
with the oomph.
Little fish sauce.
Little fish sauce.
And I'm just mixing it?
Yeah, you're mixing it.
Am I going now?
Go now.
Okay. Just mixing it all together. Okay.
And now we're just gonna add some oyster sauce.
Now if I
This is not traditional, by the way.
This is your spin.
Yeah.
This is the California lens?
Yep, this is umami lens. As soon as we got that all mixed up,
yeah.
We're gonna grab a piece of banana leaf.
Okay.
Put that right there. Now we're just gonna fold that into a nice sausage. We got cut string.
Okay.
I'm gonna put one for your side. You cut right there. You tie that side, I'll tie this side.
Tying your shoes?
Yep, let's go race. Ready? Go.
Yep. I had a head start. Are you gonna put a bow? Oh, shoot.
I'm tying it 3 times.
I'm tying it with a bow.
Whoa, that's
you know,
that's
right?
extra step, and that's what it's all about.
That's what you always say. Make it your own, right?
And let's trim off this.
I need to trim a little of mine too.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Do you like that?
I think we should start doing that. At
Do you like the bow?
The bow.
Okay, I'll be the bow person. How's that?
Yeah.
I'll come in and do the bow, and then I would like to cut it on a bias. If I can
I'm like
cut it on a
secretly
bias.
charring this garlic that we picked. I'm gonna add that to our steam.
What do you mean your secret? Oh.
Then, if you will, you can hand me the coconut milk and water.
Ah, okay.
Oh, that's hot.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You hear that?
Yeah.
I think that's hot. I'm just gonna put that sausage in the flavored garlic coconut milk water. Kind of have that steamed up in there.
So even though this is its casing, if you will,
yeah,
it will
impart the banana. Oh yeah.
Okay, it will impart the flavor, and then also
kind of turns a little green too.
Oh, nice.
So it gets like that banana chlorophyll thing going on.
Yes, interesting. Okay.
So just let it like 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
While we're doing that, you can like set the table or let's talk about sports or something.
I'm a little nervous about the spinach because we haven't used it yet.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna do that?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
All right, so this is mainly just a garnish, kind of something to go with it.
But everything you've done with coconut milk in it, I'm eating whatever goes inside of it because it's so good. Especially with that garlic now. I think that's a good idea.
That was your idea.
Whoa.
Look at that curd.
Yes. Oh, so the milk, you do want the milk to curd.
Yeah. That's your garnish, you know? See that?
Yes.
That's that curdy curd. I think we're about there.
Okay.
And the way I do it, I just do the.
Again, you're doing a lot of this.
Yeah. I think it's there.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get that open now.
Want the dish?
No, we'll just.
Oh, you're putting it. Oh, you're gonna cut it here.
You're gonna cut it.
Okay.
So we'll just give us a little snip here. Now what we do, we just pull back. I give it a try.
Are you doing more? Really?
Yeah.
Did you cut it already?
Yep,
yeah.
peel.
Oh man, it just comes right
And
off.
then snip.
On a bias, like a rose. There you go.
Here you go.
Yeah.
And then the customer's just digging right in there.
Oh, that's really
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Then there's all this curd up spinach that we have right here.
Yes. That coconut milk does wonders, doesn't it?
It does. Right? And then you want to put that like kind of.
This way?
Yeah.
Going like this.
Perfect.
What are you thinking? A little bit like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try to take the coconut milk here.
Lots of sauces right on top.
Just right on top.
You use the freshest ingredients. You use beautiful Christopher Ranch garlic. And this is another hit.
Brings it home.
It brings it home. And I love that it's authentic. I love that.
Thank you.
Oh, you've got an idea.
Yeah.
How do you want it?
Let's put it on that cutting board.
Okay. Are you thinking you'll do that?
Yeah.
Really? That's so fun. How is it?
Mmm.
Really?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
You want that char?
Are you kidding me? I didn't mean to eat that big of a piece because I thought I'd had bad garlic breath, but it doesn't even really taste garlicky.
Right.
Mmm.
Look at that.
It's creamy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, that's delicious. Oh my God, Bala. This is awesome. Shawn, thank you so much.
Cheers.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I
Let's
did.
taste that sausage.
Okay, let's do it.
Will work for food.
Will work for food. Oh, you like your sauce.
Yeah.
Okay, cheers.
The saucy guy.
Oh my God.
Right?
Oh my God. That mint in there.
The garlic.
Mmm. Yeah.
Bada bing.
Excellent.